Chances are, if you're watching this video, you want to learn how to make money online. Maybe you want to know a proven method to start making, $100, $200, maybe even more than that on a daily, consistent basis. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact opportunity that I've been quietly using to generate anywhere from $300, even up to $500 or more per day. In fact, you can see on the screen right here, the earnings that I've already been making today, and the day's not even over yet. Before I share with you more proof and information on exactly how this works so anyone can plug in and get started with it, what I want to do is share with you that recently, I actually just got back from the Kemah Boardwalk. I live in Houston, Texas, and it's actually this great theme park with tons of rides and tons of amusements. And I actually just got back from there, and I want to share with you real quick because this is the type of lifestyle you can look forward to when you plug in and follow our proven blueprint. At the amusement park right now, about to ride this amazing ride, and still my business is working for me, guys. I mean, it's so simple. We post ads, we get paid when those ads make sales for us, and we're able to live an extraordinary life. Pretty amazing, right? I mean, I was still making money while I was having fun, riding rides and laughing with my family and friends. So right now, what I want to do is hop on my computer and actually share with you some more proof. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm actually logged into my Stripe account. Okay, now this is a account that I collect payments in. And as you can see, at the time of today, I've already made $521.21. Okay, yesterday, just using the proven system, I've been able to make over $400. And as you can see, Garrett gets results. This is my account right here. Okay, and all I did to do this was just copy paste ads on social media, sites like Facebook, sites like Craigslist, YouTube. Every time people respond to those ads, they actually purchase the product in the system. I actually get paid a commission. Okay, so right now what I want to do is share with you some testimonials of people that have also joined the team and are getting some great results. So you can see that it doesn't matter what your background, what your experience level, if you can follow simple steps and you have a Wi-Fi connection, a PayPal account, or you can create a PayPal account, you can do this. Okay, and as you can see right here, if I just share with you some testimonials, these are messages that I see in our private Facebook support group and private messages that I get on a day-to-day basis from people just taking the simple steps and making some great income online. Okay, it doesn't matter your background, doesn't matter your experience level. Again, if you can follow simple steps and you're serious, you can definitely do this. All we're doing again is just pasting ads on social media. It's incredibly simple. You can do this part-time, you can do this full-time, you can do this 30 minutes a day. As long as you're coachable and you're teachable and you're willing to learn, you can really do this. Okay, we just see these every single day. Okay, so if you're ready and serious to change your life, what I want you to do is head to the link below in the description or head to growwithgarrett.com. When you head to that page, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. What I want you to do is click this button and then put your best email into this box, because you're going to get sent instantly more information on how this business opportunity works, more proof, and exactly the results that you can look forward to when you get started. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and I look forward to seeing you on the next page and at the top, my friend. Take care.